Right. Google, let's see if that one can work. Let's see if that A, we should say Google as well. Um, okay, now yes, now the reply is coming back, which means is everything good. Um, so let me show you what you can expect for the next video, what we're gonna be working on. So we click here. So we have few reconnaissance. So for reconnaissance, we have different tool that we're gonna use. Best suite. We have an Emma, Mortego. That's really good. Mortego. Emma, that's essential for penetration testing. Sedma, which is the same. Edma, there, the one there. That's a command as well. Um, Resources. So persistent defense. As well, white shard. So whenever you want to do that, it's essential. Shard. Um, it's, that we call it wake shard. It's, yeah, it's for analyzing network. So when I click here, that you can see a little demonstration where you can expect using wake shard, and we click here to start. We haven't put anything yet, so let me just create a random network now. Let me show you something. You can expect what we're gonna do for what we're doing for the next video. Okay, the command is still pinning, which means you're gonna see that's the command, that's the pin command. It's caching the echo command here in Way Sharp. I'm trying to spin like that. You can see the network traffic in Way Sharp. Let me expand it a little bit. Okay, now yes. They stop and we can stop. So let me. Oh, what is the Way Sharp? So I'm just trying to remember that the red for our machine with is 120. Oh, that was Way Sharp. I just man. Let me start out Way Sharp again. Um, gonna start out Way Sharp. I click here, and then it's tar. We're gonna let's do this ping command like to create some network traffic. Okay. So now you see I'm pinging it AA. So here you can see already White Shark is showing um catching all the network traffic within the we're going to the network which right now we are generating some ping command which echo command request. So and remember it's destination and source. So the source is our IP address. The source is our IP address. The destination is where that go. And so that way you can expect for the next video something like that as well. We're gonna uh, in which is here have all the different commands. So spread and put it a little bit that you can see better. Let me minimize. Um. So guy, if you find the video was helpful for you, remember subscribe, give me a like. So don't miss next video. See you to the next time.